give her a second chance. This wasn't just any car, this was my dad's dream car. He used to tell me stories about the 2002. He'd talk about its handling, its speed, its style. He longed for one, but it remained a dream unfulfilled. Now, looking at this forgotten beauty, I felt a connection to my father. I could almost hear his voice, excited about the possibilities. I remembered the day he took me for a drive in his friend's 2002. I was just a kid, but I was hooked. The way it hugged the road, the sound of the engine, the wind in my hair, it was pure exhilaration. That day, a passion for cars was ignited within me. Restoring this car wouldn't just be a tribute to a classic, it would be a tribute to my father and the memories we shared. The restoration was a labor of love, that's for sure. Hours turned into days, days into weeks, weeks into months. Rust removal was a battle. Sourcing original parts was a treasure hunt. There were moments of doubt, times when I questioned whether I could pull it off, but I kept pushing forward, driven by the memory of my father and the dream we shared. I learned a lot during those months. I learned about patience, about perseverance, about the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. Every piece I cleaned, every part I replaced, brought me one step closer to my goal, and slowly, she began to emerge. The beauty hidden beneath the rust and decay started to shine through. Section 4, the heartbeat returns, a moment of pure joy. Then came the day we fired her up for the first time. The engine coughed, sputtered, then roared to life. The sound sent shivers down my spine. It was the sound of success, the sound of a dream realized. We had done it. We had brought this beauty back from the brink. That moment made all the sweat, the frustration, the long nights worth it. It was a moment of pure joy, of triumph over adversity. But more than that, it was a moment of connection. As I sat behind the wheel, the engine purring, I felt a closeness to my father I hadn't felt in years. Section 5, back on the road, where memories come alive. Taking her for that first drive was incredible. The way she handled, the way she responded to the throttle, it was like turning back time. I could almost feel my dad's presence beside me, sharing in the experience. It was more than just a drive, it was a journey down memory lane, a celebration of passion, a testament to the power of hard work and determination. This restoration taught me that, sometimes, the things we think are lost forever can be found again. It taught me that with passion, perseverance, and a little elbow grease, anything is possible. And most importantly, it taught me that the most rewarding journeys are often those that bring us closer to the people we love.